Hey y'all, it's me Steve, Little Egypt Adventures. I was trying to get out today and do a little metal detecting. I've been feeling pretty good today. But I've got a little slight problem. If you can see what's coming at me, I hope you can see this. Let me turn you around, okay? That's what I got coming at me. That ain't good. Oh man, stinks, don't it? I knew something was up because my AT Max started chattering on me. It means there must be some lightning in it, but I can see the rain coming. It's gonna rain like a sieve. That back there even don't look good. It's moving right. Actually, I think them storms is gonna move just a little south of me here, but I still think we're gonna get wet. Anyway, y'all, I'll keep it digging until I can't. So, y'all be patient with me, and I'll see you at the first hole. Oh, here it comes, y'all. We're fixing to get wet. That's a 77 signal, so I'm gonna dig it. It's only 3 inches down. There's a lot of bobcats in this area. Sounds like blue sticking to my shovel. Yep. And the bottle cap with glass. In the river you go. Well, I at least got one signal in. All my targets are 8 inches and below. Big target. Yeah, that was 10 inches. I'll say one thing, when it comes to the rain, wet ground, you sure get a whole lot. Oh, and look at that rain. Wow. Turn it around here where you can see this, what I'm seeing. You can't even see the other bank over there. Look at that. That's rain, folks. I got a feeling I'm going to have to get out of here. All right, y'all. Y'all have a great day. This is Steve, Little Age of Adventures, and I'll get another video together here before too long. And I'll just add this to it. All right, bye. Hey, y'all. It's me, Steve, Little Age of Adventures. I hope you're having a good... what is today? Today Wednesday? Yeah, good old hump day. That's cool, ain't it? But anyway, I'm just adjusting the picture a little bit here. I'm gonna try and get out today and do the Gardens of God's film. So I'm gonna try. I need to get a couple hours sleep before I do, because I haven't slept in 3 nights now. So, and I'm gonna try and lay down for a couple hours before I go. But my head's killing me. My neck's killing me. So, anyway, my channel went over 100 subscribers finally. Now let me say this, now once I get to 1,000, the day that I get to 1,000, I'll be giving away $100. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will give away $100 cash. The very 1,000 subscriber, I'll load everybody up, put their names in the pot, and draw it. Don't worry, there's no nicotine in this. It just keeps me from smoking. So, but anyway, I wanted to give a shout out to Digging Duo. I've gotten to where I really like their channel. They do some really good. And the little young lady just got her first $50. It was a Walking Liberty $50. I ain't even found a Walking Liberty $50. But I'll tell you what, that young lady sure does find some awfully good stuff. She's a silver hound. Don't think she ain't. You know, and she dead serious about what she's doing now. So, young lady, congratulations. You keep up the good work, kiddo. If you ever need anything, just give me a holler, okay? You and your dad are becoming good friends. I appreciate you. I appreciate your concern with me going through what I'm going through. I appreciate all of my subscribers. I need you. I need you to help keep me going. And I appreciate you doing that. Y'all have a great day. I might get off here. But y'all have a great day. God bless. Remember, God put us here on this earth to enjoy, not to destroy. Okay? You see somebody, smile at them. You never know, the light at the end of that tunnel might just be you. Okay? Let's make this whole world a better place to live with love. God bless you. Have a great day.